Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Today we're doing a major service on this Panamera Panamera Turbo. And part of the major service, we got to replace the actual air filter. And the air filter is at the front here. And you need to actually remove the front bar off. Front bar must come off to actually fit this air filter. So that's a brand new one there. We fit a brand new one there. Porsche, got the Porsche part number there. 970. It's a Alright, and this is the old one. Brand new one. That's the old one. It's very dirty. You see it here. So now we're going to put everything back together. If you're doing this on the Panamera Turbo, don't forget to plug that in. That plug there goes underneath the sensor. It's this one here. Got a sensor there. So make sure you put everything in nice and neat. And then we'll put everything, and they're only held on by the actual screws. Phillips heads, so 4 on the back, 4 at the front. Like that. And there's only one tricky one, it's the one here, there's a hole there. See if the screwdriver there. It's a tricky one to get to, sorry, I'll show you what I mean. You gotta go through there, from this side here, to get that one off. It's basically this one here. Second one. Okay, so now we're gonna, after that we're gonna do the spark plugs. After the spark plug we're gonna do the actual gearbox oil, and then we're gonna go pretty much work our way up and finish everything else. That's a full strip down at the front just to do the air filter. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.